Hi everyone, my name's Rachel Mistry. I'm the registered dietitian here at Root Cause Medical Clinic. Part of my role here is to provide diet and nutrition counseling. So part of that today is actually going to encompass bringing you a little fun after school snack. We're going to be doing rice cakes along with some healthy toppings because we're getting back to school. This can be a great snack for kids as well as adults. Rice cakes are gluten-free and they're a great way to kind of mix up your diet and incorporate a few different toppings. Today we're going to be going over a few different sweet and savory recipes. We're going to start with, it's kind of a twist on avocado toast. You're going to take your rice cake and then I've mashed up some avocado already. You can mash the avocado and mix it up with either some lemon juice, salt, whatever you prefer. I like mine plain because I feel like I like to add toppings at the end. It kind of brings out a nice flavor. So now that we have the rice cake topped with some mashed avocado, I'm gonna add some tomatoes to it. This kind of adds there's a lot of different flavors that you can pair with rice cakes. Because they are pretty plain, I like to bring lots of different spices and flavors. The tomatoes are actually going to be a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and the avocados act as a nice source of omega-3s, which are actually anti-inflammatory in the body. All of the rice cake recipes that we are going to be going over today are actually going to be elimination diet compliant as well. The next rice cake that I'm going to do is going to be hummus and cucumbers, but you can mix and match however you see appropriate. I actually have some plain hummus right here, but any flavored hummus that you find will work. Basically, all these toppings just make for a nice bake. They help all of our toppings stick to the rice cake. So now that that's nice and on there, I'm going to put some cucumbers on there. I have cucumber slices right here. So the more veggies that you can get into your diet, the better. I like to say the more colors you eat, the more nutrients you're eating. Our next rice cakes are going to be our sweet rice cakes. So I'm going to be using peanut butter as a base. I'm using this organic old-fashioned crunchy peanut butter, so you guys can use whatever peanut butter that you like. I just would recommend that you look at the ingredients because nut butters, especially peanut butter, can have a lot of added sugars. So all you're going to want on your ingredients list is peanuts and salt. I'm going to be topping my peanut butter rice cake with apples, so it's kind of like a twist on PB&J. You can also sprinkle yours with cinnamon or granola, whatever you prefer. But when I actually told Dr. Rick that we were filming a healthy rice cake topping video today, he said that rice cakes taste like newspaper. So this is actually a nice way to make them less boring. Our last rice cake is going to be topped with this Kite Hill vanilla almond milk yogurt, and this is going to add a nice sweet flavor to it. And then I'm going to be topping it with berries as well. So whatever berries you have on hand will be fine. If you want to add a little bit of extra granola to your rice cakes, that would also work. And here are my blueberries I'm going to be putting on top of this last rice cake. I recommend getting organic berries when you can because we just don't want people to be consuming pesticides, toxins, things like that. Berries are a great source of antioxidants as well as anthocyanins. So get in those berries where you can. Okay, so last but not least, I'm adding some everything but the bagel seasoning to our savory rice cakes. Thank you for tuning in and watching this quick tutorial. Let us know if you try any of these suggestions, and all of the details will be posted down below.